Hey everyone, for Market Minutes today, we're going to look at NVO stock. And I did finally find their latest earnings on February 3rd. So let's see, highlights for 2025. Okay, they got a 81% gross margin, which is really good. Okay, then their sales is 64, sales expense 64,000, which takes away from it. I want to see compared to last year. Basically no growth. Let's be honest. Yeah, not really any meaningful growth here. Research and development is 16%, and then admin costs are pretty low. So pretty good operating profit, 41%. That's pretty good. Problem is here is that they're not growing at all. So that's an issue. This is good. Income taxes, net profit, great. And then they got some of their other numbers here, and this looks a little different because this is filed in Denmark. Their payout ratio. So those are pretty good numbers. Here's their sales. I want to see their cash, but I think what matters the most here is that they're not growing. But they have really good margins. But then you have to ask, really good margins compared to their competitors or in general. And I think that Eli Lilly is taking a lot of their market share. This one is tempting to buy for me, but I won't, because when the company tells you that they're going to have declining sales, which is what they did, you're just asking for more pain. You're asking for, there's no reason for the stock to turn around yet, even though it's a healthy company. So for me, I'm personally staying away from this. That doesn't mean it's not. It could be a good buy, and it looks like it's a good buy. It's just when the company seems healthy, but when you're not growing anymore and you're forecasting that you're going to continue to, lose sales, I think that if we should be so lucky, I think that $25 could maybe be a good entry point. But just my opinion. And I'm wrong frequently. So, but that's kind of what I think on this one, is I think it's a good company, healthy company. I honestly think that if you wanted to buy it now and you don't mind waiting a few years, this is probably a fine entry point. But if you're looking for a short term, kind of gain, I think you probably should wait. But I don't know. That's my thought on NVO.